Welcome to Sequential Mastery. Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on the science of sleep and tips for a better night's rest. Sleep is one of the most important things we can do for our health and well-being, but many of us don't get enough of it. In this video, we'll take a look at the science of sleep and learn some tips for getting a better night's rest. What is sleep? Sleep is a complex biological process that is essential for our physical and mental health. When we sleep, our bodies and brains repair themselves and consolidate memories. Sleep also helps to regulate our hormones and mood. The different stages of sleep. There are two main types of sleep: rapid eye movement sleep and non-REM sleep. REM sleep. REM sleep is when we dream. During REM sleep, our brains are very active, but our bodies are paralyzed. Non-REM sleep. Non-REM sleep is further divided into three stages. Light sleep. Light sleep is the first stage of sleep. It is a relatively light sleep, and we can be easily awakened. Deep sleep. Deep sleep is a heavier sleep. During deep sleep, our bodies are repairing themselves and consolidating memories. Slow wave sleep. Slow wave sleep is the deepest stage of sleep. This is when our bodies are getting the most rest. Why is sleep important? Sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. When we don't get enough sleep, we are at increased risk for a number of health problems, including obesity. People who don't get enough sleep are more likely to be obese. This is because sleep helps to regulate hormones that control hunger and appetite. Diabetes. People who don't get enough sleep are more likely to develop diabetes. This is because sleep helps to regulate blood sugar levels. Heart disease. People who don't get enough sleep are more likely to develop heart disease. This is because sleep helps to regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Stroke. People who don't get enough sleep are more likely to have a stroke. This is because sleep helps to regulate blood pressure and blood flow. Mental health problems. People who don't get enough sleep are more likely to experience mental health problems, such as depression and anxiety. Sleep is also important for our cognitive function. When we don't get enough sleep, we have difficulty concentrating, learning, and remembering things. We are also more likely to make mistakes. How much sleep do we need? The amount of sleep we need varies from person to person, but most adults need around 7–8 hours of sleep per night. Children and teenagers need even more sleep. How to tell if you're not getting enough sleep? There are a number of signs that you may not be getting enough sleep, including feeling tired during the day. Feeling tired during the day is one of the most common signs that you're not getting enough sleep. Having trouble concentrating. If you're having trouble concentrating or paying attention, it may be because you're not getting enough sleep. Making mistakes. If you're making more mistakes than usual, it may be because you're not getting enough sleep. Irritability. If you're feeling more irritable than usual, it may be because you're not getting enough sleep. Depression. Sleep deprivation can increase your risk of developing depression. Tips for a better night's rest. Here are some tips for getting a better night's rest. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. This will help to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Avoid watching TV or using electronic devices in the hour before bed, as the blue light emitted from these devices can interfere with sleep. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Darkness helps to promote the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Noise and light can disrupt sleep, so make sure your bedroom is as dark and quiet as possible. A cool temperature is also ideal for sleep. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos.